Hi everyone, thanks for joining me on My Life on the Hill. My name is Tracy. Please don't forget to subscribe. So today I'll be doing these full cover stilettos gel nail tips, and these will be the gel polish I'll be using. They're not expensive. I got them from Amazon at the time, and I thought it was in 2018, and so I'll be using a base coat for the first application. And so I went today to try to go on Amazon to try and order some more, or to see the prices of them, and I checked the 2018, which that's when I thought I bought them. And well, I even checked from 16, but I know I didn't get them in 16 because I bought them while in class. So I can find them. So I I searched for them through Amazon, and they only sell them by the kit, and they were kind of still it wasn't expensive at all, but I like to pick my own colors. And at this, I at the time when I got these, I picked all bright colors, and I still have them. They still work. I think I'm pretty much running out of white right now, but I love how they go on, and I love the consistency of them. And they're, like I said, I think it was like buy 4 get 1 free, something like that back then. But I'll search some more. I just did a quick search and I could not find them to see the price to tell you guys how much I paid for them at the time. And again, when I had just started nail school, I wasn't sure what a gel polish was, so I didn't know what was good and what wasn't. So today I do use on my clients like Kara Sky and Young Nails and Madame Glam, Orly. Actually, I'm not using Young Nail gel polish. I have their other products, but so it's Kara Sky or Kara Sky, Young Madame Glam, and Orly. So when I say client means my family and friends. So because normally I just do nails for videos. So I'm still deciding if I will be starting a business or what's gonna happen. But as you know, because of the Rona, I am not even doing it on my family. So I am doing right now on these tips. I want to do on my nails, but I do a video every day that I won't be able to take off the nails in order to do another video. And at the end, I like to show you with the nails on. So I'll be go ahead and applying my base coat and sealing it. I did two or three coats of the white, and but I did them thin. I didn't do them thick. I did them thin. And so normally whites for me is very frustrating, but I'm a person where I want to see the polish on right away, so I normally put like a gunk of the first layer. But no, in this case I didn't. So I happen to have bought 2 of the top coats, so it looks like I'm finishing up this one as well. And so I took these on vacation to Belize, and I practice a lot on my husband's niece's friends, and they don't know how much they've helped me in terms of buying products. Even the builder gel, I came back knowing what not to use, what I love using, and I am still, at least I have those to start with to practice on, and I'm still practicing. And I love, when I say practice, for me, nails will always be practicing, you guys, because it's something you always have to keep at it with new products, new ideas. So I don't care if I'm 10 years in it, I will call myself practicing. So the nails are done. I'm just wiping off the sticky layer. And this was a real simple design, just basic. And I will go ahead and use the Builder Gel, Orly Builder Gel. And as you know, with Orly Builder Gel, I was trying out this to see if I wanted just to put a bow, or what design. So I was just playing around with it to see what I wanted to use. And since for me, I like rhinestones all over my nails, I wasn't sure if that I would have put, like if maybe another fingernail had some rhinestones on it. But because I only put it on one, I kind of wanted to stand out. So that Orly Builder right there actually build nails, you guys. It's an awesome product. The only flaw that I have with it, to be honest with you, is that it's in a bottle, and I could never see when I'm finishing, and then sometimes it doesn't come out enough, and then sometimes it come out. But maybe it's just my room as well. My room is kind of like hot and cold. So when it's cold, it's cold. When it's hot, and it's like, so if it's 80 degrees, it's gonna be 100 degrees in there. If it's 50 degrees, it's gonna be 30 degrees in there. So yeah, but we put a vent in there for the heating and cool for cooling, but the room is not isolated, insulated, so it's like wasting time anyway. So, but if you put a fan right by the vent, then it'll work. So because of this, and I ended up just using the builder. There's a little bit left in there and I don't want it to waste, so that's why I use it to adhere my stones, so it doesn't go to waste. So not because you don't have enough of the oily builder to finish to do a nail, use the leftovers to put on rhinestones. And I've also used it for a dupe appraise system. So because you don't use a lot, I also use it for that. You know what, I want to do a French tip with the polygel system, but again, I don't want it to stay on long, but I also want to test how long it'll stay on. So like, I can't make up my mind. I want to see how long it will stay on, but I can't keep it on for too long, because then if I do nail videos, I need fingers in order to put the full cover set on, since right now no one's coming over to do nails. So I have to clean off my nail rhinestone. I call it picker upper, because the nails are not sticking, and sometimes I still have to use the gel, whatever I'm using, to adhere it a little bit on there, and or base coat a little bit on the tip to help pick up the rhinestones. So I saw how people use tape, scotch tape or duct tape, and peel off whatever's on there. And I've also because I also do rhinestones on like shirts and rhinestones on items like shoes and different things like that. And with those, for the items, use 6000E glue. So I also saw that the trick that they do is put a little bit of glue on there, because it dries clear and it's still sticky. I guess it's sticky. I don't know how long it will last for, but anyways, it was a basic nail, but these rhinestones can be so temperamental, flying. And the best thing to do too is put a little bit of gel polish, a little bit at a time. I tend to cover the whole nail and put the rhinestones on, and by the time I'm down to the bottom, then the rhinestones are sliding off. So, but I'm a very impatient person, so I have to work on that. And then you have to go around and fix them and fix them back, and then you continue, and then they fall again. So just do it a piece at a time and cure it. And but that's what I like about gel polish versus glue, is that you can you cure it when you're ready to cure it, whereas the glue, it's annoying, because by the time you, like right now, since my room is hot, if I go to put rhinestones on, it'll dry so fast that I'm like, oh my gosh, I didn't want that rhinestones there, or something like that. So you have to be very much precise with using the resin, which is what's her name? I use a resin and a spray, and Zuli nails too is really good. I've also seen Cardi B's nail tech, Jenny, she has a system out there for that. So I want to try her stuff too, but right now I'm just practicing on these. So I don't want to use expensive products on full cover tips. So that's me taking off the nails. And when you take them off, sometimes you'll have a little bit of gel on the side. You just go ahead and clip that off, file it back, and then cure it. And so I'm doing so many full cover tips that I'm telling you, when I'm done with hair, I could use one a day and still not run out. Just kidding. I only have like 4. But anyways, they're so gorgeous. They're simple to the point, but yet they really, really look nice. And for press on, once you put them on right, they can stay up to a week. Just don't put your hands in hot water, because they go ahead and thumbs up, leave a comment if need, and hit me up at my Instagram page, which is My Life on a Hill. Patreon is patreon.com/nailroomtalk, and of course, don't forget to subscribe here, share it, and leave comments. And if you would like a style or a particular design, DM me at my Instagram, and I will put that up for the next coming up video. So the next video coming up tomorrow will be food. So for leftover, no, it's a sorbet food. So anyways, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button. Stay safe. Today my husband's going to do a barbecue, so I'll see if I'll videotape that and put it up and show you how that goes. Take care now. Bye-bye.